Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, said by APJ Abdul Kalam. Hello guys, I am Sharon Pereira. I am posting motivational videos with interesting facts. I hope you will like it. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please share my video. Please do watch this video till end. Today I am going to speak about teachers. In India, the Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September and this tradition started from 1962. This is the when Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born. He was a philosopher, scholar, teacher and politician, and his dedicated work towards education made his birthday an important day in the history of India. On October 5th of every year is celebrated as World Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is of utmost importance to salute the teachers who instill wisdom, patience, humanity in the students rather than the text and thus make the students great citizens of our country. Teachers should teach their children how to be good, how to work for the country and how to make a good name. 58,16,673 elementary school teachers in India. As of March 2012, there were 21,27,000 secondary school teachers in India. Anand Kumar is an Indian mathematics educator best known for his Super 30 program, which he started in Patna, Bihar in 2002. Released by the Indian government in 2011 show that there were and which coaches underprivileged students for IIT, JEE, the entrance examination for the Indian Institution of Technology. In Bollywood, Super 30 movie was released on 12th July 2019. Anand Kumar role was played by famous well-known actor Hrithik Roshan. There are 1.5 billion schools are there all over India. In that, 4 lakh private schools are there in India. From 6 months, these schools are closed. How teachers will see their families? All private teachers are from middle class family. Rich class family have side income, they will survive. Middle class people can't beg also. Nowadays teachers are changing their occupation. All say teaching is the best profession. Then government has to bring good scheme or package for teachers also. In lockdown, government said to teach through online class. Is online class is accessible to all? No, because only 25 to 30% people who are living city areas, they have good internet connection. But the village people still don't have internet connection. How can they learn? Some poor parents by taking loan, they enroll their children to private school to make his child successful man. But now, can they afford a smartphone and internet access? Please don't make education system as a competition. Because at present people are struggling to survive. We all must be together and find solution for this problem. I have heard one very sad news which broke my heart and I wanted to share with you. Recently one teacher committed suicide and the reason was her financial condition was not good. This is happened in this current situation which is not at all good. No one is listening to their problems. We should listen to their problems and should find the solution together. If not, at least we should try to understand them, understand the situation through which they are going through. With coronavirus cases reaching school, fear and anxiety are growing among the teachers. Teachers are facing several challenges in the online mode of learning. Many teachers in the school do not have laptops or familiar with the digital medium. Teachers are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of us will use to provide back into the society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. In the wake of coronavirus pandemic, all the schools have been closed for the few last months due to online classes. Students and teachers will be celebrating Teachers' Day 2020 virtually. From guiding us to motivate us, this year our respect for teachers worldwide has grown immensely. We know it has been challenging for each one of us, but teachers have been our lockdown mentors. They have supported us throughout and helped us cope with online classes and tests. I would like to end my video by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's quote. The purpose of education is to make good human being with skill and exercise. Enlightenment human beings can be created by teachers. On this special day, I especially want to thank all my teachers who have always been my guiding light and support system. Thank you.